Que Paso Ninjas. It's another beautiful day in San Diego. I'm heading out east to go work on some crazy RV from the 70s. This guy Bob seems like a pretty cool dude. He's got this little passion project. Never seen one before in person, never even seen one before anywhere. So it looks kind of like the rig the sand people from Star Wars used to ride in. So he's got a 440 big block that's been rebuilt and it's not running right, and brand new carb on it. So something's not making sense. So we're gonna get out there and troubleshoot the problem, get it running for him, and yeah, let's get to it. 73 Dodge Vector. It's got Dodge chassis with this space age motorhome. Sounds like it's got an exhaust leak. Something's going on. You did a lot of work on this glass, huh?
Oh man.
Like tons, yeah. Yeah, you haven't touched. It's gonna look gorgeous when it's painted.
Yeah, she's gonna be real pretty.
Yeah, we're popping a little bit. So it starts popping and gets progressively worse. So the air screw settings were all, or the air fuel ratio, these guys, they're all out of whack. So we got those back into spec. Get some heat in her right now, and we're gonna start making adjustments. Get the vacuum gauge on there, get her dialed. All right, so we added a little smidge of timing. I'm happy with that. Sweet. Oh, you're good. All right, we'll do a quick walk around. We got it running good. She's ready to go out to paint now. Customer is stoked.
Looks better with the hood closed.
We're gonna close up the hood so we can get a nice walk around. I got it running good again. A little bit of timing, a little bit of air fuel ratio, a little bit of idle adjustment, replaced a couple vacuum lines. And now she's ready to go to paint. And this guy has done so much work. This whole thing has been touched. It's gonna look so cool. So yeah, do you know what movies they were in? They weren't in Star Wars, were they?
No, they put them in two different movies. They used them as aliens chasing people.
Oh, cool. It looks like a Sam person car to me, but. All right, we're out of here. So I'm on my way home. My customer was so excited. I just love seeing customers get that happy. And I was also kind of revving the crap out of his engine. You know, you got to put it through the paces, give it the onions, and make sure that it's running okay, right? So that's what I did. And every time I did it, I heard a hooting and a hollering outside. So that's always awesome. His name's Bob. When he was a kid, he worked at a dealership here in San Diego in '73 when that vehicle came out, and his dealership had a few of them, and he transported them for the dealership. And he said he instantly fell in love, and he's always wanted one, and he got the opportunity to get it recently. And he's got years of fiberglass experience, so he redid the entire exterior, the interior. It's still got a lot of cleaning to do, but man, the body is straight and nice. If you've ever done any fiberglass, you could tell just how much work he's done on that thing. It's going to be really nice when he gets it painted, which is where it's going next. And I just can't wait to see what he's going to do with it. Probably do another video, revisit that, do a full walk around, a little tour of the inside, take it for a drive, put up a little video on the YouTubes for y'all to enjoy, because it's one of those little history pieces. They only made 300 of them. This is number 200 of 300. And the guy's just ecstatic over it. And I just love seeing that kind of energy. So I'm stoked to be a part of that and helping his dream come true. So headed back to the shop now, hitting up my other customers, trying to make some more hay while the sun's shining. Until next time, I'll see you when I'm looking at you.